All right, everybody, I'm back. I'm gonna be doing another unboxing of the Nothing Ear Open. These are Nothing's open ear headphones. These come with Bluetooth 5.3, clear voice technology, two microphones on each earpiece. They're compatible with iOS and Android phones, but since I have my brand new Pixel 3a, I'm gonna pair these up with this phone. I bought these a couple of days ago. They're on Amazon for $149. These is probably the most expensive open ear buds besides the Bose Open. Those are like 200. I'm kind of hopefully I don't regret buying these because these are very expensive. Like for open ears, this is the highest you can probably get. So you got a pull tab. Just open that up. It's pretty much the same as like all of Nothing's products. They all have that little pull tab. You slide it out. You're presented with the earbuds themselves. And let me see. There should be something that inside of this box. You get the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And you get some paperwork. You can pause the video right here. You can download the Nothing X app. I've already got it installed on my 3A. I'm gonna go ahead and just put all this stuff to the side here, and we're gonna look at the earbuds themselves. So just like the Nothing 3A, these come with a little cornstarch like protective thing. I did order a case for these. I'm still waiting on them to come. They should be here Saturday afternoon, hopefully, because I have learned my lesson when it comes to Nothing products. This part right here is gonna get scratched up, and this is already gonna like catch a whole lot of fingerprints. I like the look of it. This is kind of rounded on the top and the bottom. I believe this, okay, that's where the magnet is. This is the magnet, kind of holds them in place. All right, let's see whether or not you should have some type of Google Fast Pair. Okay, here we go. Nothing Ear Open. I'm gonna go ahead and connect and set this up. Let me see. Oh no, wait, I was using my Nothing here we go. All right, there we go. Got 95% battery on the left and the right, and 100% on the case. Like I said, these are open ears. So, ooh, look at that. That wire is pretty nice. And you got the counterweight down here at the bottom. Seems like they got some type of, okay, there's some paper on there. I didn't even notice that. All right. Got paper on that. Well, I wonder why they put paper on this. That doesn't make any sense. Let me get this off here first. All right. Here's the earpieces themselves. This is where the sound is going to come out of. As you can see here, those little dots, those circles, that's where they're charging at. I don't see any buttons. Hold up, let me go into the app again and see whether or not these are let me see, controls. Okay, but what are you pinching? Ah, okay, the pinches, okay, they're right here. I was thinking, okay, it was gonna be like on a front right here, but actually no, it's not on the bottom. It's right here. Let me see how that works. Okay. You can customize the controls through the Nothing X app. You also got an equalizer too. Ah, would you look at that? So when it comes to the equalizer, you have the simple one, what you have with the Nothing ear stick. That's Nothing's answer to the AirPods first gen and second gen earbuds that they made. And there we got the Advanced. Now this is interesting. I wasn't expecting them to give you access to the advanced equalizer in the Nothing X app with open ears. So I gotta try this out. I don't think I got any no, I don't have any presets saved. No, I do have them saved on my 13 Pro because I was using Nothing products. But now that I got a Nothing phone again, I'm gonna start using all of my Nothing earbuds with the 3A. Let me go out of here. I haven't gotten a notification to update the app or update the earbuds yet. Hey, okay, we got low lag mode, we got dual connection, we got Find My, we got a firmware update. Okay, they're saying they're up to date. That's pretty much it. Let me go and listen to some music and try and figure. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna play some music. All right, now I'm gonna try and press this thing right here and see if it works. Okay, so a single press is pause and play. Okay, let me do a double. Okay, a double is next track. Okay, let me do a long press. Okay, long pressing is volume up on the right. Long pressing on the left, volume down. Okay, not bad. Let me see what these sound like right quick before I end this video. Okay, they fit pretty good. I mean, when I put the wire behind my ears, I'm wearing glasses. As you can see here, I got glasses. I need to get some new frames. These things are bent out of shape. Please don't go to sleep in your glasses. Anyway, when I'm putting them behind my ear, because that's how it goes. These aren't like a C-clip. These are like they grow right behind your ears. They fit good. My glasses aren't moving at all. They're comfortable. That weight is pretty dope. I'm gonna have to see how these fare against the Earfun Open Jump. Yeah, they're really comfortable, and I can hear the music well. The bass is good. Mids is good. Let me see. Let me play something else. Oh. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Let me see. They sound good. Not bad, Nothing. So not only did okay. Not bad, Nothing. Not bad. These are pretty dope. I'm gonna have to put these to their paces, see how good the battery life is and all of that jazz. But yeah, this has been an unboxing of the Nothing Ear Open earbuds. $140 on Amazon, or let's round it up, $150 on Amazon. Links will be down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. I'm picking things back up. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound, and I'll see you in the next one.